Dear students, today we are going to learn our history's lesson number 4, Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. Sant Tukaram's disciples means Shishya and associates means Sahkari were of different castes and creeds. They include Nauji Mali, then Gaunar Shetwani, Santaji Jagnade, Shubha Kasar, Bahinabai Shurkar, and Mahajipan Kulkarni. An important task completed by Gangaram Pant Mawal and Santaji Jagnade was writing down the Abhangas of Sant Tukaram. Now let us see work of Sant. Sant gave message of equality, humanity and humanism. He taught people to love one another, unite and live in harmony. Sant awakened the self-confidence and developed courage to face different calamities in the people. During the times of deterioration of ethics and religions means when that bad things happen in large amount म्हणजे धर्माची ज्या वेळेला अवनती होत होती त्यावेळेला संत protected society. He taught true meanings of religion, path of devotion by sharing their joys and sorrows. They simplified religious teaching and maintained that all are children of God and all are equal irrespective of their varna and caste. They perform duties of their day-to-day life and preach devotion and thereby nurture morality in the society. Nurture morality means what? काय योग्य आहे आणि काय अयोग्य आहे ते समजावून सांगत होते. संत सावता सेठ कांदा मुळा भाजी अवघी विठाई माझी. This statement refers to farm work but applies to work in all walks of life. The Sant carried on with their duties even as they were engaged in devotion, teaching and composing verses. The Sant inspired people to break shackles. Shackle means what? Beda, and attain freedom. Now let us see about Ramdas Swami. He was from Jam in Marathwada. He explained the importance of physical fitness to the people. He gave practical education in good conduct through words like Dasbodh, Karunashtake and Manache Shlok. In some school also that in every Saturday that Manache Shlok was taken. He formed Samartha Sampradaya with its center at Chafad. He preached devotion to Ram and Hanuman by undertaking travel across Maharashtra. Now see the last point of the lesson, inspiration for independence during foreign rule. Such was the political, social, cultural situation in Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. In that period, Maharashtra was under control of Adil Shahi and Nizam Shahi. It was not independent. Even so, some personalities and streams of thoughts were dreaming of freedom. Among them, Shahaji Maharaj, who is considered to be a visionary of Swaraj, was on the forefront. Now our lesson is completed. You should solve the textbook exercise of this lesson. Thank you.